Hey everyone, in this video we're going to dive into the amazing world of Procreate. If you're brand new to digital art or just want to learn the basics of Procreate, you're in the right place. Today we'll be taking a tour of the app's interface so you can get comfortable and start creating beautiful clip art. So let's get started. When you open Procreate, you'll land in the gallery. This is where all your artwork lives. You can see I have a few projects here. To create a new canvas, simply tap the plus button in the top right corner. You'll see several preset canvas sizes, and you can also create a custom size. Let's tap the square plus button to make a custom canvas. Here you can specify the dimensions, DPI, dots per inch, and color profile. We will discuss this in more detail later on, but for now, let's just create a 3000 by 3000 pixel canvas with 300 DPI, which is perfect for high quality clip art. And then click on Create, and that will open up your new artboard. And here's our new canvas. Let's start with the toolbar at the top. On the left, we have the gallery button, which takes you back to your artwork. Next to that is the actions menu. This is where you'll find settings for canvas, sharing, video recording, and more. We'll explore this in future videos. Next, we have the adjustments menu, which allows you to change things like color balance, blur, and noise. Then there's the selection tool, which lets you select parts of your artwork, and the transform tool, which lets you move, resize, and distort elements. On the right side, we have the brush tool, the smudge tool, the eraser, and the layers panel. And of course, we have the color picker in the top right corner. On the left sidebar, you'll find the brush size and opacity sliders. These are super handy for quickly adjusting your brush settings. Let's learn some basic gestures. To zoom in and out, simply pinch your fingers on the canvas. Then to rotate your canvas, place 2 fingers on the screen and twist them. And if you ever need to quickly fit your canvas to the screen, just do a quick pinch in and out. It'll snap right back. Now, let's talk about undoing and redoing actions. To undo your last action, simply tap the screen with 2 fingers. To redo an action, tap the screen with 3 fingers. To undo multiple steps, tap with 2 fingers and hold. To redo multiple steps, tap and hold 3 fingers. If you want to go full screen and hide the toolbar, simply tap the screen with 4 fingers. Tap again to bring the toolbar back. And that is just a quick Procreate overview. I'm so excited to share more with you. Stay tuned for more videos like deep dives, tips, and tricks. And most importantly, I will show you how to sell your digital art.